Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 3D Abstract Edge. Abstract Edge, this is here Abstract Edge right now. Look at this. Here the many different types of abstract process, extract edge, imprint and color edge and color copy edge. So like one to one, step by step I have going to explain for this session. So today let's start for abstract edge. So let's start this design. First of all, when I make this any rectangle here, when I go to rectangle, start from rectangle, this particular component, and also I will go to provide the distance here. So when I click this rectangle and enter D, provide the distance 1000 and horizontal and vertical distance is 1000. Please make the rectangle here. Look at this. Then I will go to extrude command. Here apply the extrude command and extrude also 1200. This is our body right now. When I go to create the circle here, this one I also create the circle. So when I first of all when I get the beside in view here, so when start the top view, this one is top view, also make a circle. This one is start from circle and go to here, make the 300. Like again I will show you extrude command in circle. So let's go to 3D view. Here isometric view, then also go to extrude command and apply the circle here and enter. Then how much extrude right now we will calculate. Look at this, here one component has been completed. But now let's go here the two individual component, but I want get combine both of us, so this is combined here. Now let's Now let's go again. I will go to here abstract edge. So first of all enter this here, then select abstract edge. Here we can select abstract right now. This is one single component has converted from this union command, combine command. So when let's go click this abstract edge and enter, then I will go to move in distance from here. Look at this one is 2D graph is showing like that. This is the abstract means we will only show the edge area, like this one is totally edge area and this is the abstract. So this one is abstract in anywhere. Then also again I will show you in next thing is imprint. That means when I create any sketch in the body in particular. So let's go. When I will click this here, let's start the 3D edge here, 3D polyline. Start from this edge and click this edge, also click this edge and this edge. When I want get this edge and this edge, If also I click this 3D edge, so let's again, when I get joint in particular point here, so also joint right now. Same thing also here, joint in 3D sketch this point and again this point. So let's start how to do that. This one, when I get the click here, imprint line, imprint here and click the body and also go select, and here you can see this imprint line. This one is extra line I have go to create right now. So when I get the select this imprint here, when enter this imprint right now and click the line here, this one, so it is imprint right now. Then let's go, I have go to move in command here. Look at this, now let's again, I will show you here this is right now. When I let's again, I will show you color edge. When enter the here, click this edge right now and also click this edge and also click this edge, enter. We will provide the particular color here, then go to provide color, but not show in here. When I will go to now again, I will go to move here. Look at this. Now let's show the color here. So how is it? When I get enter the 2D wireframe here right now, 2D wireframe, then after show the proper color here. Look at this, only 3 line I have get select and this is provide the color. Okay, so let's go again, I will show you here. Well, let's again, I will get the copy in copy edge. When I get select copy edge, when I click this edge here and enter and click the point, and how many distance we will provide, so 200, I will get 200. Look at this. When also same thing here, click this line again, I will show you copy, enter the copy, click this line and again enter and show you this point, click here and when let's go the distance 275. So this is very easy to work from abstract edge in imprint edge and color edge and copy edge. When again I will show you color here, so right now this is color. We will click this particular edge, this edge, this edge and this edge and enter. I have get color different like this one. Okay, now let's go here 3D wireframe. Look at this, here the 3D wireframe in AutoCAD and provide the particular color here right now. Look at this, this is the copy line and this one is also copy line, but this one is color here. So it is very easy to work from extract edge and